Hey, Pretentious Engineer here. I know you didn't ask, but I normally don't do longer videos, but I think this one will be worth your time. So today I bought a grill at Costco in Japan, which is capable of cooking 6 pigs. I think it means pig loins, but anyway, I'm an engineer and I nerd out about design, and this is honestly one of the most well-crafted machines I've ever seen. Like every single component is just designed for manufacturability and assembly. It is masterfully done. So I thought we could nerd out and go through a couple of these components and just talk to some of the beautiful things about this. First of all, I love when they choose composites, when they have certain kinds of metals for certain applications, like steel and aluminum, and other areas where you have cast iron applications. And it was really neat to see just the thoughtfulness of that, as well as like the pictures. The assembly was perfect. I also love the way that these welds were done, and they were really on top of their rivet game. Like they found a way to connect metal efficiently by riveting in these well threaded connectors, and the tolerances. Oh my gosh, the tolerances were so tight on this. Like they told you not to tighten any of the screws until you got to the end so that you can make sure it's all square. But as I went along, like everything was a perfect true fit. This isn't like Walmart wooden furniture you're putting together, like just very well designed, very tight, perfect machining. I mean, there's no perfection in engineering, but you get as close as you can. The ball bearings on the wheels were top notch. Just over, oh my gosh, the threads, you gotta love the threads. And this overmolded component, like we do a lot of overmolding for robotic applications, and oh my goodness, this nut. So this nut had like this inner seal that would allow it to become like form fitting once you cranked it on, and this cast iron piece was so heavy, it was perfect. Yes, I can get a towel. But anyway, friends, you got to enjoy the engineering, top notch. You could sip on that.